All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back in our TensorFlow course. Let me give you an update of what we're working with today. Now, yesterday, I showed you that we were inside of our indexing module. We actually happened to finish that whole module this morning. It wasn't really that long, 100 lines of code. So, yeah, we got it all done this morning. Now, in this module, we just went over different examples of indexing into numbers or numbers of our tensor. So, we have an index here, and we use this pretty much as a template to do different variations of indexing. So yeah, we index into the entire thing here. Here we use these I'm not gonna call it a code. We use these two numbers right here to specify that we wanted to have a starting location, and this is how many numbers we wanted after the starting point. Now this here is something that's like the same. We had a starting location of 1. This is where we wanted to end, but we wanted to add a plus 1 here. It would give us the last number after that. So in essence, we went from 6246, and a plus 1 gave us a 66. Now we didn't have to write it like that. We could have also just written the 1 and 6, but we did it like this to show that we could. Now this one here, we started at 1 location. We wanted 6 numbers after that, but we wanted to count every second number. So that would have gave us a 6, 4, and a 66. This right here will give us the same output as this up here. If we leave it blank, it's just telling the program it's the same as having a 0 there, a starting point of 0, meaning we want to start at the beginning. And this one here is the opposite. So we have a starting point at 3, and we don't have an ending point. So it's telling the program that we want every number after the starting location. And we just did a bunch of those, a bunch of different examples of indexing into those numbers. We actually started indexing into our 2Ds and 3Ds and 4Ds, and then we spent the morning doing that. So, yep, our next module is going to be math operations. I'll start that for you guys tomorrow. And this is the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.